Start with a hot skillet. Add your ground sausage, break it up with a spoon. Cook it until it's brown and crispy. This is important for flavor. The smell of the ground sausage will fill your kitchen. It's a good sign. The ground sausage is the star of this gravy. Once the ground sausage is brown, it's time for the next step. Don't forget to drain off any extra grease. We want a rich gravy, not a greasy one. Now we're ready to make the gravy. This is the fun part. Get ready for a delicious breakfast treat. Sprinkle flour into the skillet. Use about a tablespoon for each pound of sausage. Stir it around with the sausage. Cook the flour for a minute or two. This gets rid of the raw flour taste. It also helps the gravy thicken. Now, slowly pour in your milk. Whole milk makes the gravy extra creamy. Stir it constantly to prevent lumps. Keep stirring until the gravy thickens. It will bubble a bit. That means it's working. Your sausage is browned and delicious. Your gravy is thick and creamy. Now it's time to bring them together. Carefully pour the gravy over the sausage. Stir gently to combine. It will thicken even more as it sits. Taste the gravy and add salt and pepper if needed. You can also add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Serve your sausage gravy hot over biscuits, mashed potatoes, or even eggs. It's a hearty and satisfying meal. Sausage gravy is more than just a breakfast food. It's a versatile sauce for many dishes. Try it on chicken fried steak for a southern classic. Pour it over biscuits for a savory breakfast casserole. You can even use it as a filling for hand pies or empanadas. The possibilities are endless. Sausage gravy is a taste of home. It's comfort food at its finest. Enjoy, please comment, like, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.